Now, good afternoon. I'm just after arriving here now at the cattle. Well, I'm here 5 minutes or so. Now, I've managed to get 2 dung samples so far. I'm after getting the Galloway, and I'm after getting, she's at the line down now since the black whitehead. They were the 2 that I was watching for, mostly. So I'm after rising this lady here up, Miss Roni Brindle. She's not just helping me out as of yet. But anyhow, I'll talk about where I have these at the minute while I'm waiting on her. This is the area I skipped on the 4th rotation as well. There's lots and lots and lots of stuff that they're knocking and lying on. Now, I skipped this alongside that experimental field I was talking about. Also because of the rushes we have here. Now, they've the grass trampled down well, but the rushes aren't. So I left them in here last night. and I'm going to leave them here till tomorrow morning. Tighten them. There's a little bit on the far side of this hedge as well that they can graze also. So there's an awful lot of stuff on the ground that they can pull out of as well. Now, I'm slightly distracted here. Hang on now. I watched the video yesterday now, and I found this phone very shaky and a bit jerky and hard to watch. So I have to try and be careful about when I'm spinning around. I don't know what you thought, but I thought it was a bit shitty now, to be honest. There's my lady down there now. She hasn't let anything fly just yet. Maybe she will when she has a drink. But they're all very relaxed here. It was a good time to arrive when they were lying, but they mustn't be lying that long. But they're not that anxious to get up. Normally they're up and staring at me, waiting to be moved, but sure, they've lots to eat in here and they're not that anxious. So let me walk back down to this lady here now again. It's a warm afternoon. Oh, let me just show you one thing here now. Obviously I'm going to top in here now when they're gone. Well, you're alright, lad, you can stay. Don't worry about it. They were in here a couple of days ago. There's great regrowth there already. I topped the upper side. I had them in there tightened for 12 hours. Just along here. A very small area because it was heavy in rushes. I have it all topped. And over beyond there, all along here, that was all topped as well. For the first time this year. It was grazed twice. I'm going to come back now and top them few rushes there. Along with this little paddock when they're gone. They're nearly finished up here on the hill and they'll be going straight back down and into that new bit of ground I got with heavy grass on it as well, like this. So they're going to do something similar to this below. Eat the best, trample the rest, and that'll be it. So you can actually see the family dynamics here now as well, just speaking about something different. You see here now, there's obviously mother and the 2 daughters. She's after taking up again now with her mother, so they kind of hang out together too. There's mother and daughter. Mother and son. Mother and daughter. Yeah, so they kind of pair up like that. So this lady hasn't had a shite yet. I wonder if I rise another cow. Let me rise this lady up here. She might be more agreeable. Come on, girlie, get up. Up. Oh, see, this lady's lazy. See, if they're too quiet, they won't get up. I could give her a kick now and she'll lift alright, but I don't want to do that. But sure, look, I will. Get up. No, they haven't been lying too long. They mustn't be. Will she fire something out? I'll come back to her. But that's what I'm at today now. I'm rooting here trying to get dung samples. There's a cow there that doesn't need to be lifted to backfire. She'll let it fly while she has the tail there lying down. She's a lazy bitch. Wished. There we go. Excellent. Right, I'm going to close down now. That little rony cow there that they're letting fly. And it's a nice consistency. But I'm going to test it anyhow. I want this for the record. The liver fluke is my main concern. You kind of build a natural immunity to the rest. I know some lads were saying here it's a waste of time, but for the record, I want to see have I a lesser burden with these moves. It's all about testing this regenerative agriculture. Can we reduce our inputs, chemicals, fertilizers, warmers, all them kind of things. Now let me just go down and check this lady. So look, we'll close down now and we'll talk soon. So good luck and goodbye.